Puppy soon got away to battle Squirt for the lead, who, as it turns out, is one surprisingly speedy little lemon with subpar navigational skills.
It has a combat robotic grade motor on it, and the tip speed of the finger is 18 miles per hour.
Which means that Metal Puppy never stays down for long. And as Metal Puppy righted itself,
Oh my gosh, the lemon car!
Squirt took a commanding lead by making a mad dash across the BB floor that I'm pretty sure he learned from me. Leaving Metal Puppy to spin out on the BBs as Yeehaw whipped past without even a howdy.
Yo,
Squirt was enjoying leading the pack, but it was short-lived as they hit the second mud pit with the exact same results as the first.